A drama is a play. This is where we have different characters who are acting out things. They're usually going through some sort of conflict with one another, which is why we talk a lot about character interactions. Some of the different structures of a drama or the different parts of the genre include the actors or actresses. This is a male or female person who performs a role in a play, work of theater, or movie. So you can consider a drama or a play like a movie. It's something that you can watch while the actors are on stage. Um, Next, we have the costume. This is the clothing worn by the actor or actress on stage during a performance. Then we have a cue. This one is new. So I know we've been through some of these structures a couple of days ago. I want to say maybe the beginning of last week, but there are a few new ones in here. Like cue, this is a signal, either verbal, something you say, or physical, which is something you do, that indicates something else, such as a line of dialogue or an entrance that is to happen. So your cue is just a noise or a movement that lets you know what to do. Dialogue. This is the conversation between the actors on stage. This is what they say, the words that they speak. Narrator. It could be first person narrator or third person narrator. It is the person telling the story. First person narrator means that person is going to be in the story. We're going to hear pronouns such as I, me, we, us. So all of those pronouns include that person. Or if it's third person narrator, we would hear pronouns such as he, she, them, they, and the names of the people. So that third person narrator would not be in the story. A play is the stage representation of an actor, of an action or a story. It is a dramatic composition. So a play is just something that we watch on stage. Playwright is the person who writes the play. And then we have props. These are items carried on stage by an actor, small items on the set used by the actors. Our cast of characters, or our character or cast. This is where our actors and actresses come in. These are the people represented in the play that are involved in the plot. Each character should have his or her own personality, age, appearance, beliefs, background, and language. So just like us in real life, no two people are exactly the same. The reader should note character relationships with one another and their involvement in the plot. Because again, we will talk a lot about character interaction and how they say things, how they react to one another, how they treat each other. That is very important in plays. Most modern plays are structured into acts that can be further divided into scenes. Scenes and acts. Scenes are usually used to 1. Introduce new characters, 2. Introduce new settings, and 3. Foreshadow future events. So foreshadowing is just looking into the future, like making a prediction of what's going to happen. Um, Notice that they're talking about we're being introduced to the characters and the settings. This is the exposition of our plot. This is where the very beginning of the story happens. Then we have stage directions. They are usually in parentheses, like this right here, or they are italicized, which means the letters are slanted. So stage directions are nonverbal instructions written as part of the script of a play, a message describing how something is done or how something should be spoken. So when we're reading our play, we do not read out loud what's in the parentheses or italicized. We don't read the stage directions. We just do it, or we react in whatever type of way the stage direction is telling you to react in. And then we have dialogue. These are the things that are spoken out loud. These are the words, phrases, and speeches spoken by each character in the play. So stage direction is how they're doing it or what they're doing. The dialogue is what is being said.